I don't know. I personally don't feel like that was fair though. Wiped out on like nothing. Oh my god, with the clock. Oh my god. That actually hurt my soul, just watching that clock happen. Need at least one good, need at least one good Italy. One good Italy. Please give me just one good Italy. Alright, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. That's fine. I think. Oh yeah, I think that's fine. I don't know. I think that's fine. It's fine. Oh my god, it's not fine. It's not fine. It went from fine to like completely not fine. It went from fine to not fine. Oh my god, that was horrible. No. Come on. 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 I'm pretty sure I'm like right around the corner from the end of this entire lap. Yeah, I am. And of course, I did not end up with that fucking boost. Here's. Oh my god. All of that, and I only lost a second. That's actually insane that I only lost a second out of that. Woodpecker, baby. What do you Woodpecker racing? I've honestly gotten so many dynamites at this point. What? What the hell just happened? Wait, what the hell just happened? Like, did I end up like landing on like one of those fish? Like, I'm thinking that's what happened, but I don't actually have a way to like prove it. But let's fucking go. Holy shit, dude. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, dude. Hell yeah. Alright, well, but this one's gonna go bad. I know this one's gonna go bad, because it always does. What? I was in the fucking air! What do you mean? What do you mean? What? What the fuck did I just get hit on? What the fuck did I get hit on? Wait, what did I just get hit on? What did I just get hit on? I actually cannot comprehend whatever I just got hit on. So honestly, like, maybe I just, like, was not paying attention, but I don't know. I feel like I definitely did not get hit on anything. I might be wrong. I don't know. Alright, that's it. I'm honestly 100% taking that boost. I really do not even care. Taking that boost. That's not the part I wish I had that for. I wish I had it for like, this part. It's fine. Oh, let's fucking go! Oh my god! Dude. I really better fucking lock in. I really better fucking lock in. What? Oh my god, dude, come on. Stupid ass shit. Haha. Dude, hop the fuck off. I'm telling you now, dude, hop off. I am telling this game now, like, hop off, brother. Whoo! Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go!